Good afternoon to all. It's 5 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and tapos na yung work ko. Going home. Take some train to go home. This is what Christmas is now sa ganitong weather. And look at the houses here in Japan. Oh, napakalungkot talaga. It's foggy or cloudy, we don't know. Hindi naman ganun siya kaginaw, slight cold, but it's foggy. Tomorrow, aaraw raw tomorrow. So since yesterday 24 and today 25th is ganito ang weather. So it's been 10 years ago na ganito ang nangyari dito sa Japan. 24 and 25 is ganito ang weather. So it's been 10 years since then the weather is like this. This is the station where I used to ride going home, but I have to park my bike muna. Look at the place, oh. Diba? This is Christmas is now here in Japan. Not like dyan sa Manila or somewhere else in the country. Alam ko they're enjoying Christmas and the weather is fine though. And chichika na everybody. Dito wala. Work, trabaho kaming lahat dito. My train will be 4:28. This train from my place, Tsukuba, is straight from Tokyo, Akihabara for 1 hour and 40 minutes. So, yung train na galing sa akin is diretso lang yan from Tokyo, Akihabara or Tokyo, Asakusa. So, hindi na ako yung nagsishift ng ibang train. Basta diretso lang ako. So, this train was from Tokyo, galing tong Tokyo, going back to Tsukuba. Look. Oh, this is my place. Look, oh, Christmas ba yan? You don't see any spirit of Christmas here, just light. But the people itself, wala lang. Kasi nga, they're not like us Christians or Catholics. Iba kasi yung religion nila dito. Ayan, just light. Christmas lights, gaya-gaya, pero wala yung spirit. Kumagaya sila sa States, and kagabi and today Ang kinakain nila is chicken, kaya yung mga Kentucky dito masyado silang busy sa ngayon dahil puro Kentucky mga binibili ng tao, or different kinds of chicken sa supermarket, and cakes also, mga cakes, mga strawberry cakes. Ayan ang ganun sila mag-celebrate ng Christmas dito. That's what I've said yesterday video. Hindi sila masyadong hindi nila masyadong sineselebrate ang Christmas. New Year sila nagse-celebrate actually. O tignan mo naman, so cloudy. Oh, I have 2 bikes. One is from home to here at the station, and the other one was yung kaninang station going to my job. Actually, sabi ko kanina, foggy, pero parang ambon siya ng parang ambon. So basa yung babasa yung hair mo. Now going home. This is the department store. Oh, yan lang. But there's the Kentucky, and dito ko palaging dumadaan every time I go home and going to work. Ito ang station dito. Ayan, tignan mo. Oh, this is Christmas here. Ano ka mag-enjoy? And ngayon di ako magkakaimono or mag-grocery because kahapon nga holiday ako. Namili na ako para yung lulutuin ko for tonight. Magpapasta lang ako and papa-ordered some chickens. Yan lang kakainin namin for tonight. So hindi ka mag-grocery. Usually when I go home, pag kung ano yung kakainin namin, dito ako namimili palagi. But this time, today, I'm not going to buy anything. Meron na sa bahay, so straight home na ako. Ayan o. I will show you also the houses and the mansions here. Ayan, mga mansions yan. Yung mga matataas na yan. Tapos yan, mga typical parang housing village. Mga village, bahay-bahay. Tingnan mo kung gaano kalungkot. Daan ko kayo. There. Tawid lang tayo dyan sa kabila. Tapos pasok na tayo sa mga bahay-bahay. And this is the IAS. It's a mall. Marami na siyang mabibili dyan kung ano-ano. Andyan H&M, Uniqlo, GU, Zara, and Kasumi supermarket, or different kinds of stalls for clothes, for accessories, everything. And over there is the Costco. So this is the houses. If you own your house, dream house, ganyan. Tignan mo kung gaano kalungkot. Without Christmas light, without light, ganyan lang. Kung minsan nga iba walang walang ilaw. Ganyan lang. Okay guys, see you on my next video. Bye, Merry Christmas.